Okay, well, as you can see, these are two rockets that have been launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base right there. As you can see, there's been taken here, here at this barn here. Oh yeah, and you can see just, you can make out those the rocket nozzles, those two. Oh yeah, see that? There you can see, wow. Yeah. When I get online, I'll find out what it is. It's probably the rockets that have been launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base, and yeah, it was just it's amazing right here. And there's Jupiter right here that's sitting on that horizon right there, and yeah, as you just watch very closely right here, and yeah, there's this yeah, there's one probably rocket going one direction, and you can see there's a rocket right there going the other direction right there, and it's still, yeah, it's still going right now, still heading towards orbit, as you can see here. Yeah, yep, as you can see right there, it's heading toward orbit. Yeah, and then we'll just keep on rolling until, yeah, so this is just amazing. Look at this. Look at this. It's just absolutely cool. This is just amazing. Anybody can see that? You can see that right there? Yeah, right here. Yeah, I can see. I'm keeping the camera rolling. Continue rolling right now as we speak here, and see how it goes here, and if anything happens. Yeah, it's still keep on firing right now. Still traveling into space, traveling into orbit right now. Who knows what is it's carrying right now on board the payload on that rocket? Who knows what kind of rocket it is? Yeah, it's still going on, here. And you can see the trail of rocket exhaust spewing out from the rocket nozzle as we speak here. Yeah, you can see right there. So yeah, there's that. Who knows what kind of rocket it is? Yep.